how to transfer a Spotify playlist to the SoundCloud account. Okay, how to do this? Super easy. Okay, how to the this web. Okay, to mymusic.com. Okay, go here, and this web is for the transfer your playlist to the services of music. Okay, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and etc. Okay, and go to the Spotify. Okay, and do the sign in with your account Spotify, and here you select your playlist. Okay, you select the playlist, and here we are going to the SoundCloud. Okay, you click to the SoundCloud, and you sign in with your account SoundCloud, and you transfer this playlist. Bye bye.